Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is the ecosystem, the interaction of a community of living organisms with their non-living environment. By the end of this video, you'll know the boundary between biotic and abiotic and how interdependence holds everything together. An ecosystem is the interaction of a community of living organisms, biotic factors, with the non-living parts of their environment, the abiotic factors. Ecosystems range from tiny, a pond, a faunan log, to enormous, a rainforest, the entire ocean. All ecosystems share the same logic. Living things depend on each other and on their environment. Three things. 1. Biotic is equivalent of living. Abiotic is the equivalent of non-living, i.e. light, temperature, water, soil, pH. 2. Interdependence. Every organism depends on others and on abiotic conditions. 3. Disturb any one factor and the rest feel it. Lose the bees, lose the flowers. Acidify a pond, lose the fish. Common slip. An ecosystem isn't just the animals or just the plants, it's the whole system, living and non-living together. And ecosystems have boundaries that ecologists choose. There's no fixed size. Quick example, a pond ecosystem. Fish, frogs, algae, water boatmen, dragonflies, decomposers in the sediment, these are all biotic. Plus, water, dissolved oxygen, light, temperature, pH, soil at the bottom, abiotic. Every component depends on the others. Heat a pond up by 5 degrees, oxygen levels drop, fish struggle, algae bloom, ecosystem changes. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.